What is up, people? Welcome back. So Bionano Genomics Bngo is going absolutely crazy. All right, they stock gained over 9% last Friday, and now the stock is up almost 15% in the pre-market right now, and it is exactly an hour to go until the market opens. Right, so if you have watched my portfolio video, then you know I hold more than 400 shares of Bngo. It is not a big amount if you are a huge investor, but yeah, for me it is quite a big, okay? And I've invested in them because I believe in them. I see a big growth opportunity in this company. But yeah, the company is getting the stock is actually getting more and more attention in the Wallstreetbets, where they have more than 10 million users. All right, it is quite strong. So with this sort of sudden distraction, I don't know what am I gonna do with the Bngo stock. If it continues to go up and up, will it gonna be pump and dump, or is it gonna resist the high share price? After the massive sell-off, the stock is on a strong rebound. If you bought the stock at the dip, then you're probably made over 50% return so far. On the other hand, if you bought this stock a few months ago at the summit, then you are probably down more than 50%, right? So in this video, we'll look into the Bngo stock, right? Is it on a sorry squeeze? We'll look inside the Reddit forum, how the people are reacting with this situation. Are they liking it or not? And of course, I'm going to bring you some bullish articles about the company. And at the last, I have some different price targets for Bionano Genomics stock. Is Bngo a meme stock right now? Wait a minute, before that, I'm not a financial advisor, so anything I say on this video should not be taken as financial advice. You have to do your own research before you invest. However, if you like what I get for you, if you really like my content, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, alright? Hit that red subscribe button right now and a big thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Okay, trading to enter link is down in the description. If you fancy a free share worth up to £100, go through the link, register, and then deposit at least £1. You get one free share, I get one free share, which may be worth up to £100. Investing early is the way to become rich. In the past, we have seen amazing examples for meme stock, alright, from the likes of GME, AMC, BlackBerry, and most recently Workers, huge gain in the past few days. And for Bngo, it all starts with a sudden rise in the stock price. Of course, the volume is above average volume, and the stock is up. That means more people are buying the stock, although there is no any big news for the Bionano Genomics. Alright, from investor place, Bngo stock, Wallstreetbets is betting big on a sorry squeeze for Bionano. You can see on a highlighted part there, Bngo stock is getting a lot of love on various social media message boards right now. Sifting through the commentary of various sites, we can see a narrative building around Bngo stock being the latest and greatest sorry squeeze play to get into. Also, according to them, about 13% of Bngo shares are unshort right now. It is still a huge number, but it is not as big as the percentage for GME and AMC was. So I don't know how it got such a huge attention in the Wallstreetbets, where they have a strong community of over 10 million people. Alright, so I actually looked into Reddit and I found both types of people in there, okay? Some of them are strongly against the sorry squeeze. I think they're going long term with the company. They see the massive growth potential in the company. And on the other hand, there was a bunch of people who are actually supporting the pump and dump scheme. I think they are the ones to pump the stock now and then dump when it gets to the higher price. So the few reasons I found why people are supporting the sorry squeeze, alright. Number one, if Bngo stock gets more attention in the Reddit, then more people will know about the company. Then they're gonna do the research. They're gonna know about the Sapphire system, which is great, and they will like the company's growth. Eventually they will stay whatever the price is. They're not going to dump the stock, okay, once they like the company. Next reason, we have seen in the case for GME and AMC, they're still trading in a quite impressive share price, okay. The GME is trading well above $200 price, where probably the stock is worth less than $50. AMC is still trading around $50, probably the stock is worth less than $20. So it is also another reason why they think that the share price for Bngo will stay high. Another reason that I think the company will profit with the sorry squeeze is that once the stock price gets to a higher price, the market cap will go up, and I think the company will probably raise the cash, okay. As a result, the stock price will most likely go down. But yeah, the company will have a strong balance sheet, and of course that cash will be used for the company's growth at some time in the future. Another massive news for the Bionano Genomics, that it is getting included in the Russell 3000 index, okay. Why is it important? So every funds that is invested in the Russell 3000 index have to buy the Bngo shares. Okay, so if demand goes up, the share price goes up. I think this stock is not only getting more attention in Wallstreetbets in the Reddit forum, but also I can see more and more analysts covering the Bionano Genomics. The Motley Fool has included the Bngo stock on top 3 stock in the Wall Street that will soar more than 25% alongside Apple and Amazon. You might be at least a little surprised by the third Robinhood stock on our list that Wall Street really likes. The average price target for Bionano Genomics is a whopping 80% higher than the stock's current price. And again, stock news, you can see for biotech stock, Wall Street analysts predict will gain more than 60%. And the list right here, Bionano Genomics at the top. Okay, so they write analyst consensus revenue estimate of 3.55 million for the current quarter represents a 200.7% rise on a year-over-year basis. Bngo stock has gained 1357.5% over the past year and 976.6% over the past 6 months. All three Wall Street analysts who analyzed the stock rated it a buy. They expect the stock to hit 12 in the near term, which indicates a potential 113% upside. I actually like the phrase near term more than the $12 price target. You can see tipranks.com also has $12 price target for the stock, but it is their average price target. Okay, the high is $14 per share and the low is $10 per share, which is still a lot higher than the current price. Right, they have 3 analyst rating on the stock. All 3 has buy ratings, 0 sell and 0 hold. And remember, this is for 12 months price target. It is not for near term, unlike the stock news. I think given the current situation about Bngo stock, that $12 price target would be achieved within this week, okay? But only if the short squeeze goes more tight and tight. I'm not sure what am I gonna do with my position if the stock goes continue up and up, but let's wait and see. I'm gonna continue to monitor. All right, so yeah, you know that I always talk about the companies that I've invested, but I don't often talk about Bionano Genomics because it is a biotech company, and personally for me it is very difficult to understand them. All right, it is absolutely complex to research on them, and I don't want to give you the information that I'm not clear of. Okay, that being said, it is time to close the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you are still there, okay, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to help grow this channel. Okay, at the last, invest safely and see you in the next video.